Are you looking for the best all-in-one printers? In this video we will look at some of the best all-in-one printers the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother MFC L8905 CDW. The best all-in-one printer we've tested is the Brother MFC L8905 CDW, a color laser model. It produces amazingly sharp documents, prints quickly at up to 32 pages per minute, and doesn't need much maintenance. Its ADF-equipped scanner scans fast and supports single-pass duplex scanning, making it a great choice for offices that regularly scan multi-page or double-sided documents. It yields thousands of prints, and the toner cartridges are relatively cheap. You need to replace the drum separately, but you won't have to do it too often, as it's usually good for 30,000 prints. Like most printers, the MFC 8905 CDW has a few variants with slightly different features. To save money, you can get the Brother MFC L8610 CDW variant, which has a smaller display and flatbed scanner and lacks NFC support and duplex scanning. You still get the same performance printing-wise, you just lose a few features. You can see more details in the full review. If you need to print photos, get an inkjet model instead, as inkjet printers produce more detailed and colorful pictures. We recommend the Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550, an all-in-one SuperTank model. It prints outstanding photos and supports up to 13-inch by 19-inch paper, making it an excellent option for printing posters. Number 2. Canon Color Image Class MF656 CDW. Our best upper mid-range pick is the Canon Color Image Class MF656 CDW, one of the best all-in-one laser printers we've tested. It has the same print quality and features as the Brother above and yields even more color prints. It's also easier to maintain, as its toner cartridges contain the drum, meaning you won't have to replace the drum separately. The trade-off for its lower price is its printing speed. It can print up to 22 pages per minute, but you can only get that speed when connected via USB or Ethernet, which is inconvenient if you don't have space near your computer or router to put the printer. Scan speed is slower but still respectable at 14 pages per minute. Cheaper variants with fewer features are available, see our full review for more details. If you only need to print black and white documents, the Brother MFC L2750DW is a great alternative and one of the best all-in-one laser printers we've tested. It prints high-quality documents, takes little time to warm up, and prints quickly at 36 pages per minute. Its cost per print is very low, as a regular toner cartridge gets you about 2,000 prints and is relatively cheap. The scanner only processes up to 7 pages per minute through the feeder but supports single-pass duplex scanning. The biggest trade-off is the lack of color printing, so you must be sure you won't need to print any color documents. Number 3. Brother MFC J4335DW. If you need something for home use but don't want to go too cheap, the mid-range tier is where you'll find the best options. Our pick is the Brother MFC J4335DW, an inkjet model. It's more compact and affordable than the laser models we recommend above. You still get many features, like an ADF-equipped scanner, wide connectivity options, and fast printing speed. It produces high-quality documents, and while it doesn't have the best color accuracy or the widest color gamut, printed photos still look very detailed. Although it isn't a SuperTank printer, it still yields a large number of prints, approximately 2,000 black and 800 color ones. Better yet, replacement cartridges aren't overly expensive, which will help you save money in the long run. It has Wi-Fi and USB connectivity and is compatible with Brother's feature-rich mobile app, allowing you to print, copy, scan, and perform maintenance tasks from your smartphone. Number 4. Brother MFC J1205W/MFC. For the budget-conscious, we recommend the Brother MFC J1205W, also sold as the Brother MFC J1215W at Walmart. It's an inkjet all-in-one intended for people who don't print much and only need basic features. It feels sturdily built, prints decent-looking photos, and yields around 1100 black and 700 color pages. Naturally, since it's a budget model, it lacks features like an automatic document feeder and Ethernet connectivity. Printing speed is also on the slower side at 9 black or 6 color pages per minute. Nonetheless, it's still a good option if you're looking for something affordable and don't mind a few compromises. Get ready for a productive day with help from this Brother printer. The wireless printer offers easy mobile printing options, a high-speed USB 2.0 interface and web-based printing for versatility. The color printer features a 150-sheet input tray to help your team print big jobs without having to constantly refill it. An OINK replacement for up to 1 year, one experience truly uninterrupted printing, exceptional savings and super convenience with up to 1 year of ink using only the 4 cartridges provided in box 1. Number 5. Canon PIXMA MG3620. If you want to spend as little as possible and want something to get the job done, consider the Canon PIXMA MG3620. This all-in-one inkjet model has all the basics. It has a flatbed scanner, produces good quality documents and photos, and connects via USB or Wi-Fi. It prints slowly at 9 black or 3 color pages per minute, but on the upside, it supports automatic duplex printing. It's compatible with Canon's mobile app, so you can easily print from your smartphone. The biggest downside with a cheap model like this is its page yield. Its black and tricolor cartridges are only good for about 200 black and color prints, so you need to replace them often. Maintenance cost isn't the issue since the cartridges are cheap, but replacing them is inconvenient. Even worse, you must replace the entire color cartridge if one color runs out, which is wasteful. It's still a good option if you only print once in a blue moon for a specific project, but if you print more frequently, you're better off getting a model with better page yield, like the Brother MFC J1205W or the mid-range Brother MFC J4335DW.